Hello, this is Tia Tracy. Too bad that we cannot watch the kids perform in person this year, but still cheer for your kids and then be proud of your baby because they deserve it. And I wish you a Merry Christmas. Thank you. G13, Giraffe Kitchen. Are you always busy and your kids are always hungry? Don't worry, G13, they are going to show you a very easy and fast dessert recipe that you and your kids are going to enjoy it.
Hello,
We are G13.
This is Weber who likes to play games.
This is Ian who doesn't like art.
This is Trey who likes to watch TV series.
This is Shelby who is the Girl Scout.
This is Sophia who sings Friends in Africa.
Hi, we are Giraffe Cooking House.
Today we're going to make a dessert that is very healthy, delicious, and easy.
Chocolate energy ball! It is good for mom because they are always busy and kids always need to eat. Not only for moms, but kids can also make by themselves.
First, we need some vanilla extract, a half cup of flaxseed,
Chocolate chips and a half cup of peanut butter.
1/4 cup of honey, 1 cup of oat and some salt. And we need to put all the ingredients together.
And stir well.
when we mix everything, grab about a tablespoon.
And roll it between your palms.
So Ian, can you tell us why this dessert is healthy?
Yeah, he is the expert.
Thank you. So fasting is very good for humans. It can prevent cancer, diabetes, constipation, and heart disease.
Wow, you are really an expert.
But if we cannot find the flaxseed,
We can use chia seed as well.
does anyone know what good is chia seed?
I think chia seed contains proteins, vitamin B, iron, and other minerals.
Which means chia seed can help us lose weight and good for our eyes.
That's right.
Two days later.
I think we are almost done.
Well, who wants to take a first bite?
Let's give a chance to our expert. So good.
So good, I want to dance right now.
Yay!
I cannot believe that it only took us about 5 minutes to make this delicious
And healthy dessert. We highly recommend this energy ball to you all.
Comment below if you try this recipe.
And tell us how you think.
Don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Like this video if you enjoy it.
We are looking forward to seeing you in our next video.
Bye bye. Happy holiday. Happy holidays.
We are looking forward to seeing you in our next video.
Bye bye.
Happy
Happy
holiday.
holiday.
So good.